No idea. That's all right.
I got you, man. I have seen it. I have a board. You see my board? I got you on the road. You're like on top of my board right here, man.
Sorry about that.
Same thing, you got a couple same streets that feed into it. You could go around that neighborhood.
I got my media pass.
Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Joe's Minibike reunion. How you guys doing today? Woo! Look at the sunshine. No rain. Things are going to get crazier as we go along today. And of course, your master of ceremonies, Joe Sembrigandio, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Clarence. Welcome, everybody. Well, what can I say? We had more bikes pre-registered than we actually had in total last year. So how about we start off by everybody giving yourselves a nice round of applause. Thank you for coming out. Really, really appreciate it. We still have about maybe 80 bikes, believe it or not, that are still coming. We have a huge group from the Honda Grom Lifestyle. And those guys, you can't miss them because you'll hear them about a half a mile away. So they'll be coming over. There's plenty of parking on this side. We've got a strong swap meet area. This is the time to buy something from the swap meet, right? It's early because by the time the afternoon comes around, all the good deals are gone. For those of you that are just coming in, there's plenty of spots over here. Look for an orange dot and just put your bike there. We are going to start the judging at 9 o'clock. The judging will only take place from 9 to 12. If you are going to be judged, the only way you'll be judged is if you have a yellow card. That yellow card should be placed somewhere prominent near your bike. When the judges are coming by to judge your bike, once they've finished, they're going to put a red dot on your yellow card. So at any time, an hour from now, 2 hours from now, you're wondering if your bike has been judged, it's very simple because you'll have an orange dot on there. We're going to wait till about 12:30 just to see if we have any last minute folks that come in between 12 and 12:30, but at 12:30 the judging will stop regardless. So if you come after 12:30, it's going to be pretty tough to get your bike judged.
Hey Joe, what are some of the categories, what are some of the criteria for judging this year?
Well, the criteria of the judging was largely your engine, paint, the engineering that went into building the bike, the use of aftermarket parts, and creativity and theme. You'll notice, Clarence, that some of the bikes have a kind of an accompanied display with either some ads from the past or some highlights about the bike. So that creativity, some folks have a little theme. Maybe they have a little blanket or they have a Christmas tree light to denote the drag racing flavor of the bike. I do ask you though, when the judges are judging your bike, please give them the courtesy to look at your bike without hearing your story. There's plenty of times for the judges to hear your story afterwards. In fact, that's why this event takes place, so that you can share stories, just not while the guys are judging your bike. No one really wants to hear the story then. They have a few minutes to judge the bikes. Plus, I've asked 12 of my key guys to do the judging, and they want to enjoy the show too. With that said, I'd like to recognize the judges. Cliff Judd,
Yeah.
Evil Ed, Charles Mini Drag Bike Mosley, Joe Petralia, Jonah McCaslin. I have my man Bing helping out, Jack Boyd, Eric Shingles, Bill Brousseau, and waiting in the wing, my main man Eric, the Gray Goat. Many of you guys are familiar with Eric's Facebook posts. So Eric is also there to help us out. So we've got a good group of judges. We've got the dyno going on. Make sure you sign the release. So folks, I promised that we were going to kick this show off, and I wonder if I can get Evan Rubel to join me. Evan from RCF, if you can hear me, come on up to the stage, Evan.
So I just want to bring up, you were talking about some of the stuff people put with their bikes, just accessorize or themes or whatever. This bike right out here, on the card it says 95 miles per hour, comma, I'm that guy. So
95 miles an hour on any of these little bikes would be suicidal.
I know.
So, Evan Rubel, can you join me? If you're not selling a micro mini bike frame, Harry, come on up, Evan. Those of you who pre-registered, which means that you signed up in advance, there were about 108 of you that pre-registered. And those folks that pre-registered are now going to be eligible to win a new RCF micro mini bike frame.
Get me in front.
Clarence, do me a favor, take a second and talk to my man Evan Rubel. And Evan, tell Clarence a little bit about these micro bikes and
let
how
me
you
get
got
that.
into them and how
Where's the
folks
sun
can
killing you?
purchase one.
Well, no,
You're
the sun's,
outside,
it's
there's
not,
folks asking
yeah,
about
let me
them.
get on this
Let
side.
folks know a little bit about what you
Yeah.
got going on, would you?
That's probably better.
Yeah, way better.
Here we are, opening ceremony, everything's going, bikes are rolling in. Enjoy the show, we're going to be uploading some more videos later. Stay tuned.
Back in 2016.
Perfect.
Came up with the design.